Hey everyone. Okay, so I have this Dreamer design, and I love their box. I love the handle on the box. I love that part of it. I like the picture of the box. It's really pretty. I mean, because if you store your diamond paintings in the boxes, then it's, it's nice to look at. So I have not tried a DD yet, Dreamer Designs, but I'm hoping they're good, you guys. I'm hoping they are good, because I just bought a ton more of them. I really did. And it was basically sight unseen, like not touched unseen, no, not touched, and I don't know, however you want to say it. But yeah, and so I'm like, oh gosh, please be good. Please, please, please be good. So, because that would suck. It really would. But this is how it comes, and so then you unwrap it. And then this one I really, really wanted, guys. And they had some really good deals. They had like buy one, get one half off. And then they had buy one, get one 60% off. So yeah, they've had some really good deals, you guys. So of course I bought this because I had to have this one. I had to have this one. And let me show you. I wish, I think it's only on the bottom of the box. I wish they kind of did it like DAC does. And this is what it's, I don't know if it's going to show. Let me see if I can, let me see if I can get it in frame. Hold on. That way you can, oh yeah, see, you can see it. That's what that one is. It's the girl in the library. Let me scooch in a little closer. See that? That is beautiful. It's a girl in the library. Oh, yeah, anything with books, you guys, has my heart. Anything with books. Oh, I love it. This is a huge canvas. Oh my gosh. There are 70 colors, and let's go from here. Let's see, it's called Haunted Halloween Library, and that is the Belize Snoring. So here's the girl, she's reading, and let's see if we can, we got some glare, not too bad. Okay, so we'll go this way. And so you got the books, you got the Halloween. It's almost like scary stories, kind of thing. Which I don't do scary, but I do paranormal romance books. Oh, I love my paranormal stuff. So this to me has that feel of paranormal. So I had to have it. But look at the books. There's a creepy thing here. Oh my gosh, you guys. I cannot wait to do this one. Haunted Library. Oh, yeah. Alright, look at these pumpkins, they're really big. Ooh, here we go. Got 2 bags. Oh, that's right, I couldn't find that. And then, let's see. Let's roll that up. And go here. Oh, you guys, this is going to be phenomenal. Oh, this really Paint with Passion. It shows that it's licensed. Does it show it's licensed? I think it's up on top, right? So their stuff is a little bit wrinkly, a little bit more on the wrinkly side than DAC. But I think because it's this canvas is really, to me, flimsy. It's really a flimsy canvas, in my opinion, you guys. I have an opinion, and that's it. So. Yeah, everybody has one. Okay, so that's the licensed person. Let's see, will it show? Let's see. There we go. Celebrate Life Gallery. Alright. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, that just came out of the blue. Alright. Let's see what we got. Nice. Oh, look at clear one. So you get 2, and then 2 of the wax, 2 waxes, 2 squishy pins. That way you can share. It's such a big painting that they want you to share. They're encouraging you to share. I don't know if they are. I'm just talking. So, but you can use these pins. We use, my husband and I, we use all the pins. Honestly, we use all of them. We don't. Whatever we have handy. You got your little dime bags, your little divider. So if you wanted to have two colors, you can have 2 colors. And you have your tweezers, which tweezers are amazing. So you can never have enough tweezers. I don't think so anyways. Okay. We already saw this. So let's see this. So you get your sticker there, which we already saw it, and then your color code and your stickers. Oh, I love it. So let's look at the drills. And on your drill package, it'll have what the name of it is. That way you can store them separately, and it has 2 of 1. And this is library, and this one's 2 of 2. So that's nice. So you get 3 tins. You get how many bags of 3 tins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 bags, you guys. Okay, I will not be scared. I will not be scared. But there's 6 bags of 3 tins. Oh, look at these. There's 155. These are so tiny. Okay. I'm going to scooch it in. It's easier for me if you go down here. Now that we saw all the canvas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 310. 310 is so hard. So hard to see. Okay, then you have, let's go backwards. Yeah, let's go backwards. Lots of browns. Sorry guys. Lots of browns. Look how shiny and sparkly they are. Then we have this one. Oh, look at that purple. Oh, that red is pretty. A little bit of green. More browns. Some mustard yellow. Some blue. Some red. More red. More red. Oh, look at that blue. Oh, look at that orange. Nice. Okay, that's 1 set. Oh, look at that one right there. That one is beautiful. I wonder if we can go backwards. Let me go this way. Oh, look at how pretty those are. Look. Wow, there's so much glare because these things shine so brightly. Let me see. In the plastic. Let me see if I can fix you guys. There we go. Okay. And the white. Oh, look at that yellow. The purple. Vanilla. Pretty. I'm trying to fix you guys. Is it not fixing? No. Oh my gosh. There you go. Okay. Oh, look at that one. Okay. Hand is getting tired. Let's see. Scooch in more. That one is gorgeous. There we go. Oh, that one's pretty. That one's very orangey. And there we go. These are like competing colors. Oh, that one's beautiful. Oh, that one's pretty. Yep. Wow. Look at this one, you guys. This one are the ABs. These are all ABs and special. This one's a special one on the end. Look at that. So sparkly. Oh, look at that one. So that's it, you guys. Nice. I can't wait to do this one. Alright guys, so see y'all later. Wait, is it gonna fix? Here we go. I don't know, guys. Oh, here we go. Alright, bye.